that one? Okay. Okay, this one. Did you hear him hit the ball?
Bummer, he's out.
It was a good catch. It was a good hit. Uncle Chris is coming up again. Good thing Mommy has more pans. How many more?
2.
Look at him and taking feet prints.
Look, there's another one over there. Anyone over there?
Now I have to see Uncle Chris hit. Uncle Chris is starting.
Uncle Chris is up.
Go first.
Oh. Did you just touch that pedal?
Show me how to ride your motorcycle.
No, like it.
Riding it.
Like it.
No, that one. Let's go this way. Come on. Here, let me have your gloves.
Mommy,
Let's go see if Uncle Chris is out. Come on.
Huh? Huh?
Your hand's cold.
It goes up.
Almost.
Almost.
Almost. That's yucky, Peanut.
Huh?
That's yucky.
I don't need.
He's gotta go pee-pee.
Huh? Huh? Mother. That one. Huh? That one. That one. He said. Okay.
Uncle Chris is up.
Huh?
There he goes.
Single?
Yeah. Good job, Chris.
Couldn't see where it went. I knew when it went off the bat, it was good when it went off the bat.
Yeah, went to right field. Right field on the ground.
Good job, Chris. Yeah, good job, Chris. Yeah. Good job, Chris. Good job, Chris.
See, good running.
That's right. You told him to hit and run, didn't you?
Uh-huh.
Now he's on second base.
Huh?
Now he's on second base.
Huh?
Christopher's on second base so he can run.